Hello everyone. In this video, let us learn acidic strength of substituted phenols. Acidic strength of substituted phenols. Substituted means whether the phenol is substituted with electron withdrawing group or electron donating group. Okay. So here what is phenol? Benzene substituted with the hydroxy group. This is called phenol. Okay, so acidic strength depends on what? The tendency to furnish the H plus ions. If it shows more tendency to furnish the H plus ion, means it is more acidic in nature. So here if it furnish the H plus ion, there is the formation of phenoxide ion. This is called phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion. Okay, if more the stability of phenoxide ion, more the acidic strength for phenol. Okay, so acidic strength of phenol depends on what? The stability of phenoxide ion. Acidic strength of phenol is directly proportional to stability of phenoxide ion. Stability of phenoxide ion. Okay, so when it will be more stable, see we can observe here on phenoxide ion there is a negative charge. Okay, so if electron withdrawing group present on the phenoxide ion, it will be more stable than normal phenol. Okay, so here if electron withdrawing group present on the phenol, then it is more acidic than this is phenol with electron withdrawing group. Okay, withdrawing group at ortho position or meta position or para position. So this is more acidic than normal phenol. This is acidic strength order, acidity. Okay, so when electron withdrawing group present on the phenol, it is more acidic than normal phenol. Okay, so here if that phenol having electron donating group, okay, means phenoxide with electron donating group. Here electron donation means it is giving electrons to the ring. Already it is bearing more negative charge, and again the donating group is giving electrons. So electron density increases on the species and it will be destabilizes. So it is less stable. Okay, now so electron donating groups destabilizes the phenoxide ion. So less stable, less acidic. Less stable means less acidic. More stable means more acidic in nature. Okay, so if electron donating group present on the phenol, this is less acidic than normal phenol. Here. Okay, this is acidic strength order. Okay, now let us see what is the acidic strength when electron withdrawing group means minus R group present. If minus R group plus R group present on the phenol, how the acidic strength varies, let us see now. Okay, here I am taking phenol with minus R group. Phenol with minus R group. Minus R group means I am taking one nitro group. Nitro group is minus R and minus I group. Nitro group we will consider as minus R minus I group. Okay, here before discussing this, we must remember resonance effect acts at only ortho and para positions. resonance acts at ortho and para position. This you have to remember. I already explained in last video. Okay, so actually that depends on the mechanism why the resonance is acting on ortho and para positions. So no need of that mechanism now, but you fix it. Resonance acting at only two positions, at ortho and meta positions, not at ortho and para positions, not at meta position. Okay, that we have to remember. Right, see here I am taking one minus R group. This is minus R group, right? Minus R group. What are the minus R groups? What are the plus R groups? I have given in last video. I will provide link for that video in the description. You can refer through that. This is minus R group, means electron withdrawing group. Okay, so electron withdrawing group destabilizes the phenoxide ion. We know that. So means here the phenyl acidic strength decreases. Generally, if minus R groups present on the benzene ring, the acidic strength decreases generally. Okay, so in first case I am taking at ortho position. In second case I am taking this minus R group at a meta position. Okay, in third case I am taking it para position, minus R group at a para position. Okay, so actually we know that here minus I effect, here also minus I effect present, here also minus I effect, because this nitro group can act as minus I and minus R group, minus inductive effect and minus resonance effect. Okay, so minus I effect here and here and here also. In three cases minus I effect is common, but minus R effect, resonance effect acts at only ortho position and para position, ortho position and para position. Okay, so here two effects are stabilizing the phenoxide ion. You just assume this is the phenoxide ion. Of course I kept here hydrogen also, because we are discussing about the acidity of phenols. Okay, so here two effects, minus I effect and minus R effect, two effects are stabilizing the phenoxide ion. Here also two effects stabilizing the phenoxide ion. Here minus I effect is maximum because of distance between the group and this minus I group. Okay, negative charge and minus I group, there is a less distance, but here more distance. Okay, so minus I effect here minimum. Here two effects are stabilizing the phenoxide ion. Here also two effects are stabilizing. So, but here minus I effect is maximum. So, ortho substituted phenol is more stable, means more acidic. Here it is more acidic. After that, this para substituted, third species, para substituted is more acidic than meta substituted. This is the acidic order, acidic strength order. Okay, this is expected order. This is expected order, order of acidic strength, but actual order is not like this. Okay, why? What is the reason here? If there is a hydrogen bond formation between this hydrogen, when minus R group present at ortho position, there is a formation of hydrogen bond between hydrogen and this nitrogen. So if hydrogen bond forms, it shows less tendency to furnish the H plus ions. Okay, so here the actual order is third one. This para substituted is more acidic than ortho substituted, then meta substituted. Okay, this is actual order. Actual order of acidic strength. Okay, this is expected order. We'll expect it generally because minus I effect is maximum here, but here the hydrogen bond is predominating. Due to this hydrogen bond, this phenol, ortho substituted phenol, will show less tendency to furnish the H plus ion, means it shows less acidic nature. Okay, so these two exchanges, okay, this is expected order, this is actual order, right? Next, let us see when plus R group present on the phenol. I am taking methyl group. Methyl group will consider as actually plus H group, hyperconjugation. I will explain that hyperconjugation in next video. Okay, and this will also consider as plus R group and plus I group. Plus R, plus I. Plus R plus I means electron donating groups. Okay, we know that electron donating groups present on the phenol, it destabilizes the phenoxide ion, so it shows less acidic nature. Less acidic nature. So at ortho position, methyl group present, at meta position, methyl group present, and at para position, methyl group present. Okay, among these three, which one is more acidic in nature? We know that here plus I effect, here also plus I effect, here also plus I effect. Plus I effect is common, plus resonance effect on ortho position and para position only. Okay, so here two effects are destabilizing, here two effects are destabilizing, here only one effect destabilizing. Assume this is species 1, this is species 2, and this is species 3. Here only one effect destabilizing, so this is more acidic in nature. The second species is more acidic in nature. Then here two effects destabilizing the phenoxide ion, but minus I effect here it is maximum, plus I effect is maximum, here plus I effect is minimum. Okay, so the destabilization is more here when compared to third one. So next third one is more acidic, and finally first one. Okay, this is the order of acidic strength when phenol is substituted with the plus R plus I group. Okay, at ortho, meta and para positions. Okay, here if phenol substituted with minus I plus R group, methoxy group is acting as minus I plus R group. Okay, in this case, which species will show the more acidic nature? Okay, substituted at meta position and substituted at para position. Okay, so this group is minus I plus R group. So minus I common here and here, but resonance effect plus R effect only at ortho position and para position, right? So here minus I common, right? Plus R effect, we know that it destabilizes the phenoxide ion. If the phenoxide ion is less stable and it shows less acidic nature, you know that. Okay, here one negative effect means it is destabilizing, resonance effect is destabilizing here. Okay, here also resonance effect destabilizing, but there is no resonance effect, only here minus I effect there. So that second one must be the more acidic in nature. Now among these two, there are two common effects, minus I effect, plus R effect, but here minus I is maximum, here minus I minimum. Okay, plus R effect even at ortho position or para position, that effect is same. Now minus I effect stabilizes the phenoxide ion, we know that. So here maximum minus I effect there, it can stabilize more the phenoxide ion. So after this, after the second one, the first one will be the more acidic phenol, after that third one. Okay, so this is the acidic strength order when minus I plus R group substituted on the phenol. Okay, if halogen group present except fluorine, halogen group present on the phenol, how the acidic strength varies? Let us see. Halogen, any halogen except fluorine. Okay, so halogen I am taking at a ortho position, halogen at a meta position, halogen at a para position. Okay, so this halogen is what except fluorine. Okay, if fluorine present, how the acidic strength varies, I'll show you. Okay, in these three cases we'll consider only for halogen inductive effect only predominates, inductive effect. Okay, of course this halogens can act as plus R group also, plus R minus I group, but here inductive effect predominate, so minus I effect only we will consider. Okay, so where minus I effect more, where the distance between the negative charge and that minus I group, there the minus I effect more. So it is in the case of first one it is stabilizing more. Okay, in first case the phenoxide ion is more stable because the minus I group very near to the negative charge. So in first case it is more acidic, after that second one, after that third one. Okay, this is the acidic strength order when halogen present on the phenol, halogen except fluorine, except fluorine. If fluorine present on that, fluorine present at ortho position, meta position and para position, how acidic strength varies? Here at meta and at para. Okay, here actually we know that this is a strong, fluorine is a strong minus I group. Okay, here minus I group, here minus I effect, and here also minus I effect common. Okay, so the expected order is like expected order generally one species 1 is more acidic, then species 2 is more acidic than species 3. This is expected order, but actual order is varies from expected order. Okay, what happens here, the hydrogen bond forms between this hydrogen and more electronegative atom F. Okay, this is only in the case of ortho substituted. Okay, fluorine substituted at ortho position. So due to formation of this hydrogen bond, this species will show less tendency to furnish the H plus ion, so it shows less acidic nature. So what happens here, these two exchanges. Okay, here this will be least acidic actually because of hydrogen bond. So actual order of acidic strength, meta substituted is more acidic than, para substituted is more acidic than ortho substituted. Okay, this is what is the reason here, due to formation of hydrogen bond. Okay, so this is the acidic strength in phenol, substituted phenols. Thank you for watching.